So what is so cool about manufacturing?
Well, they use math, science, and engineering.
I thought it was some old-fashioned dingy stuff.
No, it's really cool. You want me to show you?
Show me? What do you mean?
Well, I just got to go visit Global Tungsten and Powders in Towanda, PA, and I saw a bunch of science, math, and engineering in action. Wanna go?
You bet! Wow, this place is great. But what the heck is tungsten?
Hey, did you know that tungsten is a chemical element derived from two different ores, wolfite and scheelite? And it takes 100 pounds just to make one small ounce? Back to you guys.
Anyway, what do you think they use to process all this tungsten?
Well, this is the really cool part. They use a huge robot.
Like the kind we use in STEM class?
Sorta. It's programmed the same, but it's much bigger and way more expensive. Take a look.
Wow, that was cool.
Hey, here's Cheyenne Larrabee. She's in charge of this production area at GTP. She makes sure that that robot is working and everyone's working together to keep this department going. She told me that jobs like this are in high demand for students who want to combine engineering and math with hard work.
At Global Tungsten Powders, I'm a process engineer in the tungsten carbide department. This position requires a bachelor's degree. I love the variety in my job. It's different not only day to day, but within my days.
I think there should be more women like this in manufacturing.
Wow, she sure knows her stuff.
Did you know that XRF stands for X-ray fluorescence? It's a non-destructive analytical technique used to determine the composition of materials.
Huh?
You know, like really precise measurements.
Oh.
XRF analyzers determine the chemistry of a sample by measuring the fluorescent or secondary X-rays emitted from the sample when it's excited by a primary X-ray source. It's really simple for us science nerds.
Where did she come from?
Man, I didn't know manufacturing had such high-tech devices.
Take a look at some of the stuff from this lab.
Man, manufacturing really is cool. I can see all these science, math, and engineering classes can help me prepare for my future.
Well, that's what I think.
And GTP is really cool, and they're so nice of them to let us tour around and view all of this neat machinery.
I know, but that science girl that keeps popping up, I'm not so sure about her. Ah!
Go get a job in manufacturing. Leave. Get out of here.